Hello, and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. My name is Burzog1, and if you want to know more about me, check out my Twitter. In this video, we'll be going over how to create furry text in Photoshop CC. To begin, create a new Photoshop document and type out your text. For this tutorial, we'll be using a font from dafont.com called Arco. You can find a link to where to download this font in both the description and pinned comment below. You can of course use any font you like, but a thicker cartoonish font with rounded edges works best.
A guy who loves music, they're gonna have a good time.
Once your text is typed out, place an image of a fur pattern on top of your text layer. For this tutorial, we'll be using an image of presumably wolf fur from unsplash.com. You can find a link to the image in both the description and pinned comment below. You can of course use any image of a fur pattern you like, but try to use images that are high resolution. Once you've placed your fur image above your text layer, make sure the fur is relatively larger than the text so as to not lose any of the detail and texture that you're trying to key for the effect. Next, while holding down Control on PC or Command on Mac, click on the thumbnail of your text layer when a small rectangular box appears. This will make a quick selection of your text shape. Once you've made the selection of your text, click back on your fur texture layer and click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers tab. Now to add the furry effect around your text, go to the brush tool and select the brush preset picker at the top. The brush we're looking for can be found by clicking the gear icon and selecting legacy brushes. Once you've restored your legacy brushes, scroll down to the bottom, open the DP brushes group and select the brush name DP Crackle. Next, we're going to customize the brush to make a better one that fits the fur effect we're going for. By going to the window at the top and selecting brush settings, we can alter the properties of the brush. To begin, set the spacing to about 25%, then go to Shape Dynamics and set the jitter size to 100%, the minimum diameter to 0%, the angle jitter to 10% with its control set to direction, the roundness jitter to 100%, and the minimum roundness to 1%. If you want to keep this brush, you can save and name it by clicking the Create New Brush icon at the bottom right of the tab. With your new brush made and customized, right-click your text layer and select the Create Work Path option. Next, select the layer mask you created on your fur texture layer, then select the pen tool and right-click anywhere within your text. Go to Stroke Path, set the tool to brush, and make sure Simulate Pressure has been turned off before clicking OK. Then by reselecting the brush tool by hitting Return or Enter on your keyboard, you can repeat the stroke we just created until we are satisfied with the density of the hair. About 5 or 6 times should give you some nice results. You can find the work file we made in this video, along with several others we made for previous videos, in the How to Adobe series on our Patreon starting at $1. If you enjoyed this video and would like to not only see them continue but improve in quality, consider supporting us on Patreon or Ko-Fi, links in the description. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible.
See you next time.
The thing you